know thyself.
Yeah.
Know thyself. Because when you know thyself, you realize that you cannot allow self to be defined by others. You cannot allow yourself to be defined by the system. You cannot allow yourself to be defined by the government. You cannot allow yourself to be conditioned. So, I think when you go on a journey, you reach a stage where you realize that you awaken to and realizing that you've been living under the influence of the prescription of the society, the prescription of the friends, the prescription of the parents. Everybody's telling you, you are this. I reach a stage where I realize that I'm not what others think I am. And I had to find myself who I am. So it's actually contained on my first book, Odyssey of a Healer, where in the first book of Odyssey of a Healer, my opening statement was, a seed is useless and important unless it's put in its appropriate matrix. By that I'm meaning, when you enter this physical plane, you come already with your lights on. And then gradually you are programmed by the system, for the system, to benefit the system. You become a robot.